Welcome everybody, it's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're here to showcase Income 15 V2. Now before we do that, I'm just going to show you our channel where we try and update you on all the latest crypto DeFi projects. So we've got a few here. If you could please support, like and subscribe the channel, it will be much appreciated. Now we obviously have a link for Income version 2 in the description. If you want to take a look at it and join, that would be on your part good for you. If you do your due diligence and you're absolutely happy with the platform, we've got no qualms with you having a look and trying to profit the same way I'm trying to profit out of the DeFi space. Now, if we skate off across to the actual platform, what we have over here. So guys, it looks like after 5 days, we've earned our deposit. So we must have got all our money back. Obviously, I'm going to do a live withdrawal. We've got 22 in the account balance. I've withdrawn 30 over the course of the last few days. And I deposited 50 USD, and rightly so. So this could possibly be another platform where we're home and dry. We've got our capital out, nothing to lose. All we've got to do is make profits. So now this platform, guys, you get 150 in 10 days. So 150 ROI. So with this 50 USD, I get an extra 25 in 10 days. So I've obviously, over the last few days, been able to earn my 52. So after this, it's all profit. So we've managed to profit out of another platform, guys. It's all house money now. And let's make that withdrawal to make sure that it is a reality. So we just go across to withdraw funds. We've got 22 on there. It's highlighted very nicely. Let's pop in the 2250 event, and then all we do is request, and let's do our 2FA. As I always preach to you guys, you should have your 2FA set up prior to even getting involved in a platform like this. It will just save you from any issues, hackers, and anything untoward going down. Let's confirm that. There it is, guys. The batch ID has come out. That basically means the transaction has been made and it's in my wallet, and as you can see, there is no sign of any funds in there anymore. So remember, guys, when you do start, you will set up your crypto wallet address initially upon registering. Now if you do want to deposit funds, you would just go to make a deposit on the left side. You would then enter the amount you wish to deposit. You would click on the actual cryptocurrency that you'd like to use. I use TRC20, so I'd click there. You would pop in spend. Once you click that, you'll receive this crypto address, the 20 USDT. Take that across to your crypto wallet and deposit your funds using this address. And that's all it is, guys. So let's take a look at an overview of our account and how well we've done in this instance. We go across the overview. So there it is. My balance has gone down to 0. Earnings 52. So if you had started with 500, if you had started with 1,000, you would have all your money back if you came along when I went in, guys. So anyway, guys, subscribe to the Telegram channel, get updates on what I'm doing and how it's going and when I'm going into these platforms. And of course, the last Income 15 did about 4 cycles. So we've already got our money out. Everything else is house money, and I'll see you on the next video, and you can follow my journey in Income 15 version 2.